English Idioms Unpacked. Step to the beat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, step to the beat. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversation, in music, or even in dance classes. So, let's step into the rhythm of English and discover what this phrase truly means. Step to the beat is an idiom that's often used in the context of music and dance. The word step refers to moving your feet or taking a step, while beat is about the rhythm or tempo of music. So, when someone says, step to the beat, they're generally encouraging you to move or dance in time with the rhythm of the music. It's about synchronizing your movements to match the musical tempo. Interestingly, step to the beat can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it can mean conforming or adapting to the pace or style of something. For instance, in a work environment, stepping to the beat might mean adapting to the company's culture or pace of work. It's about finding your rhythm in a new situation and moving in harmony with it. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Dance class. Listen to the music and try to step to the beat. Feel the rhythm as you move. 2. Work scenario. When you join a new team, it's important to step to the beat of their workflow and methods. 3. Everyday life. Life has its own rhythm, and sometimes, we just need to step to the beat and go with the flow. While the exact origin of step to the beat is not clear, it likely emerged from the world of dance and music. Over time, it has evolved into a colloquial expression used in various contexts, extending beyond just music and dance. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, step to the beat. Whether you're literally dancing to music or figuratively adapting to life's rhythms, this phrase is a fun and vibrant part of the English language. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to always step to the beat of your own drum. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.